Certified by the National Weather Association. Weather from where you live.
All right, we got a lot of heat, a lot of humidity in this forecast, but based on the latest analysis, I've narrowed the severe weather threat down to about a couple of days later on this week. First things first, though, big ridge of high pressure down here in Louisiana, and right on the periphery of that, we've got clusters of severe storms, and the main severe track for the past couple of days has been Iowa, Missouri, down in here to Tennessee, and that's where we've got the watches tonight, the warnings. Notice all these clusters, each one of these producing its own round of severe weather, mainly damaging winds here. But as for us, some scattered thunderstorms here to our northwest, as you can see over parts of northern Illinois, but I really think the main severe threat tonight is going to be Des Moines, Iowa, through St. Louis. You see the watch box there, all the way down into Kentucky and Tennessee, where damaging winds and large hail are possible. But as for us, again, just like last night, some scattered storms will be around. Already some storms up here near Kankakee all the way back to near Galesburg, Illinois, and Davenport, Iowa. And these are all moving off to the southeast, but no severe weather is expected. Though I will tell you, this cell right here did produce a tornado in Stevenson County, Illinois, a little earlier. But that's where some of the better wind dynamics are, and I think it will weaken a little bit as it moves our way. But thunder and lightning, pretty good bet in a scattered fashion for the overnight hours. And lows tonight will be running in the 60s area wide. We're already in the 70s now, so pretty mild out there. 73 at Logansport, 74 at Lafayette. And overnight lows, there you have it, running about 65 to about 70 degrees, 66 Rochester to 67 in Lafayette. Warm and humid tomorrow, and after a few scattered storms tonight, a few more scattered storms will develop in Illinois and drift southeastward during the afternoon with about 35 to 40% coverage. Pretty humid out there, and again, 86 to about 88 degrees area wide. Notice on Futurecast, again, it does bring a few scattered storms into the area overnight tonight. You can see those pass through, and then for tomorrow itself, still a few scattered storms around. They don't look organized, no big Boeing lines with widespread severe weather, just scattered storms passing through, but that axis of severe storms in Tennessee and Missouri will begin to move north by later on in the week. Here's Wednesday, hot, sticky, no rain Wednesday, but by Thursday, here we go. This is the best potential severe weather during the week. Looks like a squall line of severe storms possible, with the main threat being damaging winds. So, forecast over the next several days. There you see 87, a few scattered storms tomorrow. We're capped, we're hot and humid Wednesday. Severe weather threat is centered around Thursday and Friday. Highs running pretty hot. Lower 90s on Thursday. Over the weekend, still some scattered storms possible, and we keep that going right into next week. But good news is, based on new data, Nicole, I've kind of narrowed it down Thursday and Friday, the main periods for severe weather, the way it's looking right now.
And I know you'll be keeping a close eye on that.
As always.
Okay. Thanks, Chad. Okay. And Sports Director Mike Clapp is in the Sports Center tonight.